is the third episode of the long. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Show of hand puppets. Without the puppet.
And with penguins.
Just the hand. Yeah, think about that. Okay, so let's start our Halloween special. Woo! Okay, let's get started.
Okie dokie. Hi! I'm a sock puppet. See? I actually have a puppet today.
Boo!
That's not scary.
I'll try again.
Okie dokie. Do 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 do. Wah! Do do do.
Boo!
Ah!
Ha ha ha. I scared him. I'm sorry.
Ah! He's dead now. I know. I'll drink my monster juice. Where's my monster juice? There it is. Rah! Wait, I'm a penguin. Wrong juice. Goop, 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 goop. Rah! I think I have a polka dot. I'm a big person now.
Okay, guys, let's end the show.
I still hate you. Happy Halloween! Don't get penguin juice. It's bad. Go away. No trespassing! Why are you still watching again?
Leave! No!
He's gone. And you have to say goodbye to the penguin. Goodbye, penguin. Now I'm going to eat you all. Rah!